Welcome to the lab, future scientists. Today, we are going to create something that has never been seen before. Are you ready to see some real magic? Then let's get started right now. Wow, look at you go, buddy! You are the coolest robot ever! Let's go! Ready? 1, 2, 3! Nailed it! Nailed it! Whoa, that was close, buddy! We are flying!
Higher than the stars!
Look at that giant blue planet! Huh? 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 What? Whoa! Let's see how much power we can generate. Feel the burn, buddy. Keep going, keep going. We're hitting maximum velocity. Whoa, look at those sparks. We are absolutely unstoppable. Wow, you are actually floating. Now, let's see how high you can go. Hello there, cosmic friends! I'm so glad you could join me. Together, we are going to explore the wonders of this bright, beautiful studio. Are you ready to have some fun? Activating gear power!
Whir click whir. Full speed ahead.
We did it! Are you ready for this?
Initiating full spin sequence.
Haha, that was totally amazing!